Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to your profile. This is where saved content lives. Once done, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left to reveal your account view, and make sure notification and storage permissions are granted so saved Spotlight clips can be accessed. If you haven't allowed storage, grant it now in Settings. Without it, videos may not appear. These steps prepare the app to show any Spotlight items you previously saved. You'll proceed by opening Memories from the camera screen. Memories aggregates your snaps, camera roll, and Spotlight saves. Once in Memories, switch to the Spotlight section so you see only Spotlight posts you saved. This separation helps you avoid confusion with regular snaps. Use the search bar or the filter icon to find clips by date, creator, or keyword, and tap a clip to view details. This ensures you locate the exact saved Spotlight piece quickly. You finish by managing the saved Spotlight clip. Tap to play, long press to export or share, and delete if you no longer need it. If a saved Spotlight item is missing, make sure you checked camera roll and the Memories archive because exports sometimes save there. Also inspect Snapchat's cache in Settings. If clips still don't appear, clear the app cache or reinstall Snapchat to refresh permissions and sync. This resolves most display issues and restores access to your saved Spotlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.